Hello everyone, I am Kylie, this is Matt, this is Joe. Together we are Peak Adventures, and welcome to the journey of discovery. So why did you start the journey of discovery?
Journeying has always been a really important part of my career. I started my career 30 years ago before teaching up in Scotland, where I used to run skills development courses for vulnerable young people. And our main tool was journeying from one place to another, and along that journey, developing skills along the way. And for me, a journey has always been a really useful metaphor for life in general. So you can take big ideas and compress them into a small amount of time. And I felt that you could, especially with the journey, because you separate yourself from normal life, you've got a chance to really strip away all the distractions for participants and people taking part and really start to concentrate on what they do. I then took it from the outdoors into school environments to start really pinpointing certain types of groups to work on particular skills. And the journey of discovery has come from looking at a particular age group, the year 10s, who are all of a sudden find themselves now seriously involved in education, where everything they do from now on counts towards year 11 and their grade. So suddenly life's got serious. There's also, when you go on a journey, by the end of it, the people you've been on that journey with, your relationship with them has fundamentally changed. So for me, if we can take a group of young people who are starting an academic journey together, then their chances of success, if they do that journey together and go through the highs and the lows and the in-betweens, they can then support each other as a cohort and move right through.
So for the people watching this, what happens during the journey of discovery? Like, what does it entail?
So the journey of discovery is designed to be reflective of students' past, present and future.
The journey is also designed to look at students' physical, mental, social health and well-being. So on the first day, we do a very big physical day. Right, and from the very off, we climb the highest mountain in the Algarve. It's just under 1,000 meters up to the very top, so we have a clear view over everything. And then from the top of the mountain, we take the students right back down into camp. It's a big 20-kilometer walk, a very physical day. Some students obviously thrive with the physicality and love it. Some students, that's their nightmare and it's difficult, but they get through it. Then when we get to camp, we settle in. All the students wash and cook and learn all those skills, so they start to becoming completely independent. Some students, again, have done things like this before. Sometimes it's the first time they've chopped an onion or washed a pot. Okay, so these skills are brilliant and we teach them and they work together in little mini groups as part of their society. So the second day then is more a reflection on where they've been again. So we call it the play day. So the students have activities we set up like archery and we do some creative stuff with some whittling and get them working on creating walking sticks, because we take walking sticks with us on the other walks we do, and they seem to like that. And also give them some space and time to be. One of the main things we have on the journey of discovery is we remove all technology from them. So there's no phones at all. There's no way of contacting the outside world. So that play day forces the students to become interactive and be creative in ways that they're probably not used to in this modern society and world we live in. And those first 2 days are reflective of their past, if you like. And then the third day, we move on to looking at the present and reflection on their skills and their abilities that they have in this moment of their life at this time. The students are in mini groups. We talk through team dynamics, team structures. We talk on reflection. We talk on Cobb's learning cycle. We talk on plan, do, review, and how they can come up with an idea and then better their idea. We then do another big walk. This is where we all need to pull together. Often on the journey of discovery, for whatever reason, it seems to rain. So that obviously, the weather offers another element of difficulty. So we do another 20-ish kilometre walk to a lovely lake in the barragem. That's a big physical day for them. And then we get to camp and we have to organise our tents again and put everything up. On the fifth day, we have what's called our solitude. And this is an important day for them to start to reflect on where they want to be in the future, their goals and dreams and aspirations. During the solitude, they spend 4 hours completely alone, put out in a beautiful environment like this. Before the journey of discovery, we asked the parents to write a letter to them, expressing how they feel when they arrived in the world, how it changed their life, how they perceive their children now. And they can read this letter. We then give them some utensils to write, pen and paper. They can then write back to their parents and hopefully create a stronger bond between child and parent. But then that night we let them have a bit of a night off, so we get a takeaway. We have a takeaway pizza that night, which is a highlight for some of them because they've done all the work on the cooking. Now we've got delivered some lovely pizza. And then the final day is sort of a pack up all the things, and then we head back to school. And when we arrive back at school, we have the other students from the school from the younger years that will be coming up to year 10 to do the journey of discovery, out ready to celebrate the return of the students from year 10, almost like a rite of passage from becoming a child, the present moment, and then looking to the future to become young adults and take on their challenges and their goals and aspirations that they have. Any more questions?
No.